This segment is sponsored by Kelly Law Offices. Kelly Law Offices is the premier firm when it comes to personal injury and vehicle accidents attorneys in Indiana. They have a strong partnership with Operation Charlie Bravo, whose mission is to lower the suicide rate and prevent homelessness by providing hands-on programs for veterans. Justin recently took a trip to Operation Charlie Bravo's headquarters. Check it out.
Good morning, Hometown Living. We are taking a field trip to Crown Point, Indiana. We are at the Jewel Operation Charlie Bravo, a tremendous nonprofit organization that benefits veterans. I'm Justin. This is Jason, the executive director. Good morning.
Good morning.
Jason, how proud are you of what you've built? This dream that started in a shed has now become reality over the last decade.
Yes, we're almost 9 years old now, and we've got a 100% success rate in preventing suicide and homelessness. So everything that we do here is just all DIY, basically. Veterans come in here, they get camaraderie, they get to hang out, build things, solve problems in their lives, and chase happiness.
And how many people have you served since 2015?
We're looking at probably about 18 to 19,000 total in the past 9 years. We get about 100 veterans per week that use the facility. So
there's 7 departments within OCB. Let's run through some of them. What are some of your favorites?
Yes, we have 7 programs. Actually, Lima Charlie has probably been one of our largest growing. It's where because we didn't, it started off with just motorcycles and building those, and that's how the organization started out. We originally called Operation Combat Bike Saver, and it was all about building motorcycles. But since then, we want to hit every demographic. Not everybody wants to build a motorcycle. Maybe you want to build a table or something. And there was all these creative arts, but we didn't actually sit around and actually talk about issues and things that are going on, or actually work on solving problems. So Lima Charlie came up. So in the military community, I read you Lima Charlie means I read you loud and clear. So the premise of what Lima Charlie means is that I understand you, like I read you loud and clear. So Lima Charlie is our veteran peer support group for solving problems, assessing, figuring out what's going on in a veteran's life, and then figuring out how we can solve it. We're not just sitting around complaining. So it's action over awareness. We're working on these things and actually finding a solution to whatever those assessed things are, the problems in a veteran's life. So Lima Charlie is every Thursday night. We sit around in a big group session and we talk, and the session doesn't end until the last veteran is like good to go. And that's probably one of my biggest and favorite ones. My newest favorite one is the Get Lost programs. We're literally going to get lost so that we can find ourselves again, kind of thing, and get to go out with our veterans, almost like a mini little deployment. So we have the Jam program. It's every Friday night. That's music therapy. We've got guitars, pianos, a little banjo-lele, harmonicas. So that's every Friday night. That's a jam session. Veterans get to hang out and do music therapy, And then we have the Blaster program. That is a transportation solution. So a veteran comes in, say they have this vehicle, that something's broke on it. We help them fix that, or if it's unfixable and it needs to get just, junkyard, we find them another vehicle. So that way they can keep their appointments or keep their job. Transportation is a big thing with veterans,
I think hot rod therapy is so clever. To me, I think motorcycles are so relaxing. Why are they important to you, and what fun projects have you done with motorcycles? You've loved them since you were a little boy.
One of my favorite ones to build was, this bike here, I call it Loco. It's a 99 Road King. And to go from, concept, an idea in my head, and then to bring it to real life, the process, I call it La La Land. I'm in this other world, and that's kind of how the idea came about anyway, was to have these creative activities to fill the gaps in veterans' life, in their time, in their 24 hours. Like, what are you doing in your life to fill those voids, the things that you're missing?
And OCB would not be where it would be without Kelly Law. What is the partnership like with Kelly Law, and how thankful for you are for their amazing team?
Yes, one of my biggest phrases that I use is teamwork makes a dream work. And that is one of the, Kelly Law has been with us since the very beginning, since year one, 2015, 2016. They've been helping us since the beginning, helping us with like our, paperwork, our legal things that we need help with. They've been helping us on the fundraising end. We've collaborated with them before when COVID happened. We've done a lot of things with Kelly Law, and they've always been on our side. We were kind of ride or die with them for forever. We couldn't even provide all of these things without people like Kelly Law and Valpo Harley putting these things together and coming together and being a team. to raise money for us to be able to do the things that we do in here. Veterans can use this facility anytime they want. They just put their thumb on the door, doot, the door opens. If they need to get away and they want to come just relax in the shop, it's their own little dog house, clubhouse, that they can come and get away or solve a problem, whatever they want it to be.
This building is so cool. It's so unique. What you're doing for everybody in the area is really outstanding. Continued success, Jason, and best of luck going forward.
Sweet. Thank you. Appreciate it.
It looks like Justin and Jason had a great time. For more information on Kelly Law Offices, check out your screen. You can visit their website at indianabikerlawyers.com, or you can give them a phone call at 855-212-7165, and you can check them out on Facebook.